There are several opportunities for high school students to learn about artificial intelligence, AI. Excitingly, there are a suite of courses available for high school students and many do not require prior experience in coding or AI. How should you find courses? Here are some popular local and online options. Many of them are free of cost. AI for All Open Learning with Stanford. Local AI and machine learning summer courses like Berkeley AI Research Program, BEAR, out-of-state elite camps are also offered at places like MIT Beaverworks program. Online introduction courses. A popular one is AI for Everyone by Coursera. Another popular option is Veritas AI Online, where students learn machine learning and Python basics and build group AI projects. Interested in learning more tips on AI courses to take? Contact Ivy Boost by registering on ivyboost.com to speak to a counselor today.